Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Apprenons le Français, and today our topic of learning is expressions of faire or expressions with faire, with the verb faire. We learned the conjugation of this verb in the last video lesson. Faire means to do or to make. And today we learn few expressions that are used with this verb faire. So, to start with, this faire verb as an expression is used with the activities and sports, and that is followed by preposition de. That denotes that you're doing some sport or some activity. So the first expression we are learning here is faire de l'aérobic. Faire de l'aérobic means to do some aerobics. So if you want to say I do some aerobics, you'll be using je fais de l'aérobic. So you have to conjugate the verb faire with the pronoun you are using. So here I have used the pronoun je, and the conjugation of faire with je is fais, and this you must know if you have followed the previous video lesson on the conjugation of faire. The next expression we are doing is faire du jogging. Faire du jogging. I hope this is easy for you. This means to do some jogging. Okay, so you can say, if you want to say we do some jogging in the morning, so you'll say nous faisons du jogging le matin. So that means we do some jogging in the morning. Okay. And the next expression we learn is faire du jardinage. Faire du jardinage. Are you aware of this word jardin? Jardin means a garden. Okay, so faire du jardinage means to do gardening. Okay, and if we want to bring it in our usage, we can say my grandfather does some gardening. So you'll say mon grand-père fait du jardinage. Mon grand-père fait du jardinage. So my grandfather does some gardening. Okay, and then we move on to another expression, and that is a sport activity, and that is faire de la natation. Faire de la natation. Faire de la natation means to do some swimming. So if I want to use it in a sentence, I'm making a sentence here. Les enfants font de la natation dans les vacances. This means the children, they do some swimming in the vacations. So here the conjugation of faire with plural il is font. That is why I have used font with les enfants. Les enfants is third person plural. So, les enfants font de la natation dans les vacances. Another expression of faire is faire de la gym. Faire de la gym. And this you people would be doing too much at home in the lockdown period. This is to do some gymming. Okay? Vous faites de la gym. You do some gym. This can be a question. Okay? Vous faites de la gym. Okay? Another expression of faire, there are too many expressions with faire, you can use, so it is an important verb. So, faire des photos. That means to make some photos or to click some photos. Okay? To take some photos. Faire des photos. Okay? Now, we use le journaliste. Le journaliste fait des photos. That means the journalist, he makes some photos. Okay, another expression of faire is faire une randonnée. Faire une randonnée. This means to do some hiking. Or you can say faire une randonnée, or you can use also faire de la randonnée, as we use the preposition de with faire. So, faire de la randonnée, that means to do some hiking. Okay, and I make a sentence here, that is, il fait de la randonnée. He does some trekking or hiking. Then you might have heard some expression with faire when we describe the seasons. Okay, so we say, if we want to say the weather is pleasant, we use il fait beau. The weather is pleasant. It is pleasant. Okay, or if it is hot, we say il fait chaud. And if it is cold, we say il fait froid. Il fait froid. That means it is cold. Okay, so these are the expressions with faire which you can use to describe the season or the weather, sorry. Some more expressions here would be il fait jour. Il fait jour. This is an impersonal. Here it is being used as an impersonal verb. Il fait jour means it is light or it is day. Okay. Or you can use il fait nuit. That means it is dark or the night has come. It is night now. Okay. Il fait soleil. Il fait soleil. That means it is sunny. Il fait du vent. Il fait du vent. That means it is windy. And in the winter season, there is too much of fog. So, to say it is foggy, you use il fait du brouillard. Il fait du brouillard. Okay, so we'll do few more expressions here, and that is faire du shopping. Faire du shopping. This is what the girls love to do, So it is faire du shopping. That means to do some shopping. Or faire des achats.
Faire des achats means to do some purchasing. Or for faire des achats, you can also say faire des courses. Faire des courses. That means to do some shopping. Then we use faire le ménage. Faire le ménage, that means to do housework. To do the housework. Then faire la queue. Faire la queue means to make a queue. Make the queue. Then another is faire une promenade. Faire une promenade. That means to do a walk. Promenade is a walk. Then faire un voyage. Faire un voyage. That means to do a journey. Voyage is journey. To do a journey. And lastly, I am saying faire les adieux. Faire les adieux. That means faire les adieux means to say goodbye. Adieu is goodbye. To make the goodbyes. Okay. So here we end our lesson. Hope you'll practice the expressions of faire and use it in your expression of language. Thank you.